Stop. Do one push-up right now. Seriously, just one. I'll wait for you. Done? Good. But here's the truth. That push-up was probably wrong. I don't need to see it to know. 95% of people fail this. You've likely had bad form since middle school, repeating the same mistakes. Thousands of reps year after year, and it's costing you everything. Your chest isn't growing because your technique is fundamentally broken. Worse yet, your shoulders are slowly being wrecked with every single rep. You're putting in 100% effort, but getting only 30% of the results. 5 common errors. 5 things nobody ever bothered to correct until today. Fix these, and the push-up becomes the ultimate upper body weapon. Error number 1, the T shape. This is a total shoulder killer. Flaring your elbows out to the side feels natural, but it's dangerous. In this position, your arm bone jams into your shoulder socket. Ouch! That grinding feeling, those are your tendons being pinched by bone. The fix is simple. Tuck your elbows to a 45-degree angle. Look like an arrow. In this arrow position, you are stronger, safer, and more effective. Error number 2, frozen shoulder blades. Your chest needs them to move. If your blades don't slide, your chest muscles can never fully contract. Every rep becomes a partial rep. You're leaving gains on the table. At the top, push the floor away until your upper back rounds slightly. That extra 2 inches is where the real chest growth happens. Don't skip it. Now for the invisible mistake, the saggy hip or the hammock spine. A soft core is an energy leak. You're pushing against a wet noodle. Your body should be a solid steel beam from your head to your toes.
Now gently
Squeeze your glutes hard and brace your core like you're expecting a punch. Lock the body, unlock the results. It's a full body exercise, not just arms. Error 4, chasing numbers. Doing 50 fast push-ups is mostly useless. If you're bouncing off the floor, gravity and momentum are doing the work. Your muscles don't count reps, they only count time under tension. 10 slow, perfect reps will build more muscle than 100 fast ones. Try this: 3 seconds down, a 1-second pause, and 2 seconds up. Feel that burn? That is your chest actually working for once. Final error, shoulder dumping. This happens at the very bottom of the rep. When your shoulders collapse forward, your rotator cuff takes a massive beating. You won't feel the damage today, but you'll feel it in the doctor's office later. Keep your shoulders back and down, tucked into your imaginary back pockets. Keep your chest open. Don't let your shoulders win the race to the floor. By staying centered, you protect the joint and fire the muscles harder. More growth, less damage. That is the secret to elite bodyweight training. The push-up isn't just for beginners. It's a high-level skill you must master. Once 5 reps become easy, don't just add more reps, make it harder. Use a weighted vest, elevate your feet, or slow down the tempo even more. The goal is progress, not just finishing a set. Quality over quantity, always. Look at the difference. A perfect rep looks like art. A bad one looks like a struggle. You now know more about push-up mechanics than 99% of people in the gym. Most trainers won't even tell you half of what you just learned here. So, here's your challenge. Drop down right now and do just one. One perfect rep. Use every fix we discussed. Feel the difference immediately. Your chest will feel tighter. Your shoulders will feel stable. Your core will be fire. It won't even feel like the same exercise. It will feel much, much harder. Master the skill and your body will have no choice but to grow. Stop wasting your time with fake reps. Start training like a professional. If this helped, subscribe. We're fixing every exercise, one rep at a time.